Congratulations are in order. Not only have you made it through Unit 9, but you have finished all of the work, all of the units for the entire course. I hope that at this point you feel that you have gained a deep understanding of the way economists think, how they model things, and how they use models to gain insights about various very basic economic questions. My hope is that you feel that now you have gained a significant mastery of how to set up those models and solve them to answer questions that may be of interest to you in different applications you may encounter. Throughout this course, in terms of conceptual knowledge, you should have gained a deep understanding of how we model behavior by consumers and firms, what are the outcomes generated in competitive markets and their properties, what are the impact that public policy, both desirable and undesirable, has in the outcomes generated by competitive markets, and what are the outcomes and public policy properties of imperfectly competitive markets and markets with externalities. Above all, I hope that you have enjoyed the course enough to be interested in taking further economics. In terms of this unit, these are the key ideas that you should remember. With externalities, the first welfare theorem fails, and it fails in two very different ways. Either with public bads, we have over-provision, so that the quantity generated by the market is greater than the optimal quantity, and with public goods, we have under-provision. The quantity in the market is less than the optimal quantity. In terms of corrective policy, you can use Pigouvian taxation for the case of public bads, with the optimal Pigouvian tax equals to the marginal damage at Q optimal, or you can use permit markets, and in that case the number of permits should be equal to the optimal quantity. In terms of corrective policy for public goods, you can either use Pigouvian subsidies, which are defined analogously, or direct government provision.